Hello everyone. Good night. My name is Muhammad Basroni. Student ID 240100242120. I'm from class 24C. Today, I'm excited to present my research on a comparative analysis of GPT 4.0 and teacher feedback on student-generated questions in the flipped classroom environment. The study explore the study explores whether artificial intelligence can effectively complement or potentially replace traditional teacher feedback in modern educational settings. Next, research design. Let me begin by explaining the research design. In this study, we examine three distinct types of feedback to understand their impact on student learning. First, cognitive feedback, which enhance understand and analytical skills through specific target guidance. This type focus on the intellectual aspect of learning, helping students develop critical thinking abilities. In second, price feedback, which use positive reinforcement to acknowledge student effort and boost motivation. This approach emphasizes encouragement and recognition of achievement. Next, third, mitigating feedback, which balance and constructive critics with supportive guidance to encourage improvement. This step creates a nurturing environment while still addressing areas that need development. These three feedback types will test using both GPT 4.0 and traditional teacher feedback to compare their effectiveness across multiple dimensions of learning. Next slide is measurement errors. To comprehensive evaluate the effectiveness of these feedback types, we measure three critical areas of student learning. The first area is self-regulate learning skill, which encompasses a key component is one goal setting, environmental structuring, task strategies, time management, help-seeking behaviors, and self-evaluation. These skills are fundamental to independent learning and long-term academic success. The second area is learning satisfaction, measured through four dimensions: autonomous learning, student sense of competence, team collaboration effectively, and overall learning enthusiasm. Satisfaction is crucial because engaged students tend to persist and achieve better outcomes. And finally, learning performance was assessed through post-instructional tests that measured both factual knowledge, retention, and higher order thinking skill. This provides objective data on actual learning outcome than just perceptions. Next, key findings, self-regulate learning skills or RQ1. Now let's examine our key findings. Starting with research question 1, how do GPT 4.0 and teacher feedback compare and developing self-regulated learning skill? The result revealed some interesting patterns. For cognitive feedback, we found no significant difference between GPT 4.0 and teacher feedback. Both were equally effective in helping students develop analytical and understanding skills. This suggests that AI can match human performance in purely cognitive domains. However, teacher proved significantly more effective in the emotional and motivational dimension. This advantage stems for teachers' superior ability to understand individual student context and needs. Teacher can read subtle emotional cues, adapt their approach based on personal knowledge of student and provide contextualized support that GPT 4.0 currently can't match. The limitation of GPT 4.0 lies primarily in its inability to fully comprehend the nuanced individual circumstances that affect a student's learning journey. While it excels at providing structured, logical feedback, it lacks the human touch necessary for complete emotional support. Next, key finding or learning satisfaction or RQ2. Moving research question to how do student satisfaction level differ between GPT 4.0 and teacher feedback? The data showed that both feedback sources were equally satisfactory when it came to content-focused feedback. Students appreciate receiving clear, accurate information of the source. However, significant difference emerge in other areas. Students report better the team collaboration satisfaction. This makes sense because teachers can facilitate group dynamics and interpersonal relations. Additionally, students show higher satisfaction in their competition perception and demonstrate greater learning enthusiasm and achievement with teacher feedback. Next, key finding or learning performance or RQ1. Research question 3 examined actual learning performance, and here we found the most clear-cut result. Across all three feedback types, cognitive, price, and mitigation, teacher outperformed GPT 4.0. Student receiving teacher feedback scored higher on post-instructional test regard of which feedback type was used. This finding is particularly significant, specifically trust and acceptance factor appear to play a crucial role. This third factor represents a critical challenge for AI implementation in education. Even if AI provides technically accurate feedback, student psychology and the established teacher-student relationship significantly impact learning outcome. Slide key finding uh, is for GPT 4.0 internal comparison or RQ1 or fourth research question focus exclusive on comparing the three feedback. For one self-regulate learning skill, cognitive feedback prove most effective, particularly for goal setting and time management. Interestingly, mitigating feedback scored allows in team collaboration or analysis suggest this might increase our reliance on external feedback, potentially making students less autonomous in group settings. However, the picture changes when we look at learning satisfaction. Her mitigation feedback achieved the highest score. The emotional support embedded in mitigation feedback enhance student engagement and perseverance, making the learning experience more enjoyable even when delivered by AI. For learning performance, the difference between feedback types were least pronounced. Though cognitive feedback sounds like advantage, this internal comparison reveals that the optimal AI feedback type depends on the educational goal. Cognitive for skill development and mitigation for satisfaction and motivation. Next is critical analysis for GPT 4.0 strengths. Let me now present a critical analysis of what GPT 4.0 does well in educational context. First, consistency. Unlike humans who might have off days or varying moods, GPT 4.0 provides uniform quality feedback every time, ensuring all students achieve the same standard of response. Second, scalability. AI can serve hundreds or thousands of student simulation, making it invaluable in large-scale educational settings where individual teacher attendance is limited. Third is cognitive support. As our data confirm, GPT 4.0 at providing analytical, logical feedback that helps students develop critical thinking skill. And finally, accessibility. GPT 4.0 is available, allowing students to receive feedback whenever they need it, not just during school or office hours. This on-demand availability support flexible learning schedules. Critical analysis and next critical analysis GPT 4.0 limitation. However, GPT 4.0 also has significant limitation that we must acknowledge. The personalization gap is perhaps the most critical. While AI can customize response based on input, it cannot truly understand individual student background. Emotional intelligence remains a major weakness, and trust factor significantly impact effectively as students may be skeptical of AI feedback or prefer human interaction. And finally, contextual understanding is limited. GPT 4.0 may miss subtle nuance in student question or fail to recognize when a student struggle stem for issue beyond. Next, one implication for educational practice. Based on our findings, I do like to propose some practical recommendation for educators and institutions. Is first, use GPT 4.0 for cognitive feedback. And second, reserve emotional feedback for teacher. Most importantly, adopt a hybrid approach that start that strategically combine both sorts. This hybrid model allows teachers to focus their limited time and energy on high-value interaction that require human touch, while AI handles routine cognitive feedback that can be automated without loss of quality. And this presentation conclusion this presentation to conclude will GPT 4.0 demonstrates significant potential in educational setting. The study reveals that complex substitution of teacher feedback remains challenging. The technology the technology excels in cognitive support but falls short in emotional and motivational dimensions that are critical for comprehensive learning experience. The future of educational AI lies not in replacement but in strategic integration that leverages to unique strength of both artificial and human intelligence to create more effective learning environment by understanding what AI does will and where human teacher are we can design educational system that truly serves student holistic needs. Uh, Thank you for your attention. I am now happy to take any question you may have about this research.